Say, there's not very many videos of you. Really? Ah. Let's see, look at those beautiful blue eyes. I don't think Ryan is very happy. I don't know if you can see him there laying on the floor. Oh well, the camera's having trouble focusing, so I'm going to let it be. And here's Mason. He's happy. So, eat that avocado, bud. Ah! Really? I got your foot. Hi, buddy. Really? You need to swallow what's in your mouth, bud. You trying to share? You can share with me? Closer. Further. Mason. Closer. Hi. Really? Okay. We're going to say bye-bye now because Brother's just getting really loud. So, love you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.